guys, it's Melissa Martini on behalf of DesignBundles.net. Today for Design School, we're going to be talking about the segment overcut feature in Silhouette version 4.1. What this does is allow your Silhouette machine to actually cut past these sharp points on a design. So normally what would happen if you're not using the overcut is the blade will just come up on this corner and it will be forced to turn this really sharp corner. And if you're working with a piece of paper or something, it may shred your design up instead of giving you a nice clean cut. Whenever you use the segment overcut feature, basically what it does, let me just zoom in a little bit more so you can see, is it's going to take and cut past this point and then pick up the blade and start cutting again this way. So you get a nice, sharp, clean edge on all of your cuts. And it's super easy to access in Silhouette Studio. Let me just back up a little bit and I'm going to show you where you go. So once you've done your design and you have it laid out on your mat, you're going to go ahead and send it to your Silhouette. Let's go over here to send. And you'll see over here there's 3 little dots. This is the advanced material panel. So click on those dots. We're going to select our material. Let's say we are working with paper, pattern paper, medium. So what you're going to do is go ahead right here where it says line segment overcut. You'll change this, and 0.5 normally works best. So you can play with these settings and see what works best for you. But once you pick what you like, you can go ahead and hit save as, and you can say patterned paper, medium, let's just say sharp cuts. So now this is going to be an option inside of your cut files for you to use in the future. Okay, so now that we have it saved, we're just going to go ahead and exit out of this window, and we are back to our cut window. So it has everything here selected. We'll go ahead and do the test cut to make sure that it cuts correctly and just adjust any features that you need to make sure you get a nice clean cut. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future videos. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to answer them as quickly as possible. Have a great day.